Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to verify update problem on your iPhone. So guys, if you're trying to update your device to the latest version but you are facing this issue, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution is that you have to simply make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, check this, and after this open settings, and from here scroll it below and go to general, then iPhone storage, and make sure that there is enough space for you on your iPhone to download and install the latest version. And if the storage is full, then delete some useless data. And after this go back and now scroll it below, and you have to go to date and time and set your date and time from here. After this go back and now scroll it below and tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN, and then go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then open settings, and from here you have to scroll it below and go to screen and time, and then to go to content and privacy restrictions and turn off the toggle for content and privacy restrictions from here. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact the Apple support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.